Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make tilapia in a dill creamy sauce. This is such a delicious way to elevate your fish. I'm a huge fish lover. My son loves this recipe, which is so bizarre because usually I can't get my nieces and nephews to eat anything green. So the fact that he's eating this goes to show you that this recipe is absolutely amazing. It's really easy, minimal ingredients, and tilapia is very affordable. So this is why I like to use this type of fish. You can feel free to substitute it for whatever fish you'd like. But tilapia is my go-to, so I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think down below. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold